Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to calculate the running total of multiple numbers within an Excel table. As an example here, we have the total sales of a specific week and we know that the total is 205. But we would also like to know the detailed total of each day and the days before it within that week, which would look like this. We do this by first going to the first cell and putting equal, then we pick the first cell. Then we press enter. For the second cell, we press equals, and then we add up the cell above it plus the cell next to it. Then we press enter. This will add up the first two cells here, and if we pull all the way down, and we want to verify what Excel is adding up, we can go up here to Formulas, Base Precedence. You'll see here that it's adding up these two cells all the way down to the last cell within that table. So if we press again, it shows that it will keep adding up the total above it and the items sold within that day.